Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. As the leadership of the Proven Group of Companies transitions from co-founder Christopher Williams to co-founder Johan Heaven, we sit down to understand how Heaven will double the profits of the proven business model that spans real estate, manufacturing, wealth management, and banking services. We are honored to have Johan Heaven, CFA, Group Deputy CEO, CFO at Proven, and by February of next year, the appointed CEO of the group. Welcome.
Thank you very much, Denise.
All right, great. So we've heard that you stated that you're going to double the profits of Proven when you become CEO. You want to give us a little, behind the scenes and the plan for that?
Sure. Well, you have to conceptualize that. So that's really a 2 to 3 year plan for Proven.
Okay.
So if you look at Proven over the last couple of years, we made 3 big acquisitions right before COVID. Roberts Manufacturing, Proven Bank in Cayman, and Heritage International. And then we moved into COVID, moved into lockdown. Right after that, the central banks over the world pumped billions of dollars into the economy, led to hyperinflation, and then higher interest rates, which kind of slowed down the economies. We're finally moving out of that, scenario. So interest rates are coming down, and right now, based on where Proven is, we are poised for growth.
Okay.
Banking and wealth does well in a low interest rate environment.
Okay.
Our growth and our funding is cheaper in a low interest rate environment. So just the context of where the global economies are right now put us in a good position to double our profits in another 2 to 3 years. Our target is 15% return on equity, which is about 15 to 20 million, depending on where equity level US at any point in time.
So you're saying in 2 to 3 years, you're going to make US $20 million.
That is the target.
That's the target. Okay. And that's because interest rates have gone down.
And that's because the environment is a lot more inducive to growth and a lot more inducive to the financial services sector, which we're mostly in, and of course our real estate portfolio.
Okay, because when interest rates are lower, people buy more real estate.
More real estate, exactly.
All right, well, thank you, Johan.
You're welcome.
All right. Investors can expect to receive passive income from companies declaring or considering the payment of dividends. Cygnus Credit Investments Limited has declared a dividend of US 0.00276 cents per share payable on November 7, 2024 to shareholders on record as of October 24, 2024. The ex-dividend date is October 24, 2024. Ordinary shareholders who hold Jamaican shares will be paid the Jamaican equivalent of the US dollars. Knutsford Express Services Limited has declared a dividend of 13 Jamaican cents per share payable on November 15, 2024 to shareholders on record as of October 25, 2024. The ex-dividend date is October 25, 2024. A.S. Bryden & Son Holdings Limited has advised that at a meeting of its board of directors to be held on October 16, 2024, an interim preference dividend payment will be considered. During trading for the period of October 8, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Gas station operator Future Energy Source Company ordinary shares with 14,736,235 units represent 50.27% of the total market volume in terms of sales. Office furniture and supply distributor Stationery and Office Supplies Limited with 4,737,502 units represent 16.16% of the total market volume in terms of sales. Investment house Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 1,241,375 units represent 4.24% of the total market volume in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On October 8, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $44.98 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $54.87 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $159.01 and bought the US dollar for $157.08. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.93, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $3.53 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $119.65 and bought for $116.12. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $3.50, selling it for $208.86 and buying it for $205.36. For our credit report tip of the day, are you 45 or older and feeling like debt is holding you back from making the moves you want in life? Well, you're not alone. Many people in this stage of life find that paying off debt doesn't always result in an improved credit score or greater financial flexibility. If you're stuck in this place, we have 2 suggestions to boost your credit worthiness. First, increase your credit limit, but don't use them. Call your creditors and ask for a credit limit increase. As long as you don't use the extra credit, it improves your credit utilization ratio, which can boost your score. Secondly, consolidate debt for a lower rate. Consider consolidating multiple debts into one loan with lower interest rate. This simplifies payments and can improve your ability to pay down balances faster. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.